Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your models will practically build themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv and I am here at, well, I'm at Kit Links, but I'm also at MRS Hobby, their new store. If you're local here in Salt Lake, you'll be able to come over and see what there is here. It's an amazing place, and as you can see, we got some nice display cases with some cool stuff in it. But today, we are here to review one of the hottest new kits. So let's take a look. I think I need some paints. Maybe I want a book today. Let's see here. What do we got? Well, there's got to be something that would interest me. Check this out, the Avro Vulcan B2 by Airfix. 1/72nd scale. For those of you guys that build these big 1/72nd scale bombers like me, you know, I'm just going to say it. Fighter pilots make movies. Bomber pilots make history. Just how it goes. So anyway, yeah, I'm a big bomber guy. So this kit I'm really excited for. Let's take a look at it, shall we? Holy moly. There's a lot of plastic here. I'm going to open these up. We're going to come back and look at them individually. Okay, we're going to start out here with the instructions. And yeah, you see all the different languages that they have it in. Unfortunately, it's not in vulgarity, so I can't read any of it. But anyway, so here you go. Going through the first steps. And I like how simple the instructions are. Very simple and easy. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Very easy to follow. Here we're on step 29 already. Oh yeah. And we'll be back in a minute. Wow. Yeah, a lot of steps here. But again, it's easy to follow. Shouldn't be overwhelming at all. We are up to step 110. Woohoo. Putting the bombs in. And the options for putting in ordnance. There you go, 143 steps and it's done. Yay. Okay, so there's that. Then you have, looks like these marking guides. Painting and marking guides. Whoa. Marking, lots and lots of markings. Very, very detailed. And here you go. Here are your decals. Take a good look at those. Let's take a look at the plastic. So here is your clear parts. I'm not going to take it out of there, but they look good from what I can see. And here's your wings and the detail. I cannot find an angle to really get good And you can kind of see it there. I mean, very, very detailed engraving on this plastic. If you haven't done an Airfix kit in a while, you'll be pleasantly surprised. The quality is so, so good on these. Okay, so next up, we have this sprue. Looks like we have some seats and part of the fuselage here. We have bums, we have lots of bums. We have Bombay parts. Parts all the way from India, from Bombay. Yep. Yeah, how about that? Okay, next we have, looks like engine nacelle parts and a spar. Good detail on all of these parts. Flip it over and you can see what's there. Now we're getting down to some details here. We got some wheels. There's a lot of tires and wheels on this. Landing gear parts, your access ladder for the crew, and then whatever these parts are, I'm not 100% sure. Some P-top tubes, I see that. And looks like we have some engine nozzles. All right, here it looks like we have the tailplane. And all of these parts. And finally, looks like we have a big old piece of ordnance here. And part of the belly. And a few other pieces, parts. And there you go. That's what you can expect when you get yours, this hot new kit, the Avro Vulcan by Airfix in 1/72nd scale. So check it out. All right, folks, we'll see you again soon with another review.